everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I have a Planners Anonymous unboxing for you. It is called Serenity and it is absolutely beautiful. So I won't keep you in suspense any further. Let's jump straight in. Oh, just look at the colors on this. Like, this is me. This is the colors that I just absolutely love. So I'll take everything out and I'll show you what we've got. And I'm even thinking I might be using this kit to decorate my 2019 planner for next year. I'm just in the process of updating my stone Molden, which I bought, and I'm actually thinking I might use this kit to, you know, make the dividers and do the main decorating in it, because it is just beautiful. So first up we have our vellum sheet, which is like a see-through type paper, and it is in the main feel of the kit, which is Serenity. How beautiful is that? That is just stunning. The next one is the acetate sheet, which is a clear plastic sheet. You can use that as an overlay over different pages. The papers, oh, these are just so pretty. I'm thinking of using these papers to make some dashboards and dividers with, so yeah, definitely love these papers. So the first pattern is your water lilies, and on the back is your dragonflies. Like, how stunning is that? That is just so pretty. So they're your first two. The next sheet is your little post-it notes, all in, I love just the watercolor, like the muted watercolor tones. It's just so beautiful. So you've got purples, greens, blues. It's just stunning. And then on the back is your Mandalay pattern, again in the blues and purples and pinks. That's that one. And then this main sheet, which is the same as your vellum. So you've got this watercolor design, which is the water lilies. And then on the back is that design. It is just stunning. Like, it's almost too pretty. I don't want to use it, but then again I think, well, I've bought it, I want to actually like enjoy it and use it. Next we get our Serenity stamp kit, which is a really good stamp kit. I really love it, mainly because you've got your days of the week down here, which you can use the short version of the days of the week, or it's also got the day at the end, so you can add the day to each one of those to create the full word as well, which is really good. You've got all your numbers here. You've got some little water trackers, some more tiny little icons here, a little to-do list notebook. It's a really great stamping kit, actually. I've not really got into the stamping as much, but yeah, I'm definitely going to give it a go with these because they're just beautiful. Really nice. We have our little container of sequins and glitter, which again are all matching the colors of this month's kit. Next we have our 3 washi tapes. So you've got your small, medium and large. So your small one, have a look at that. It's just like a rainbow pattern. God, I can't wait to start decorating with this. I'm so excited. But I still want to keep, I don't want to use everything, because I've actually bought the little Serenity Traveler's Notebook as well. So I want to still save some of the stuff to decorate that planner with as well, because it will all go and coordinate nicely. So the next one is your medium washi. And this one also is so pretty with your dragonflies in silver. And then the last one is your wide washi, which is a white background with all your water lilies and some dragonflies in silver as well. So, you know, every month I think, how would they ever improve on this kit the next month? But they always seem to. It's just so pretty. So in this month's kit, you get a dark blue glittery pen. I'm not close up. God, that looks stunning. And it's got Planners Anonymous on the pen as well. Next, we have our little bookmark girl. And on the back, it says, breathe in and out. 2019 is our year to shine. I have a plan for the first time in a long time. I'm taking time to focus on me. I'm making sure that I follow my dreams, that I'm successful, and I know that whatever I accomplish, it will be great because I can love myself and I am enough. That quote really resonates with what I'm striving to do next year. So I think I have to decorate my planner with this kit because it's exactly me. It's exactly what I want to start doing with my life next year. Next, we have our little quote cards. So we've got a backing card, which is this one. Then we've got, from the darkness, I will rise. Live life in full bloom. My body, my temple. I am enough. Life is beautiful. And plan a life you will love. Like, they're just really nice quotes. I love those. Our die cuts. So we have a nice card here, which is actually really good. That'll be nice to go in the planner. Make a little dashboard out of that. We have this one of those. We have our Mandalay. Oh, they're little page tabs. Sorry, I'm so slow at all this stuff. I don't even realize. So I think they're little page tabs. So you fold them over and you can use them as a page tab. Positive vibes. Plan a life you will love. And what does that say? Then we have our little flower sets. Little notebook. And our Serenity girls for the month. How cute are they? So pretty. Then the sticker pack that comes with the kit. So your first page is this one. Oh wow, these are so nice. That one. Then you've got your days of the week. Oh my God, I think I have to keep this for my traveler's notebook. And then you've got that one. So that's the kit. And then I also buy the separate sticker kit to go with it. So this is an extra $20, I think. But I mean, you get a ton of stickers in it. So there's this one, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then you've got your girls with a few little icons there. You've got your water lilies, speech boxes, I mean. Your Mandalays and dragonflies. Your block boxes. Some more block boxes. How stunning are these pictures? You've got your quote. Then we've got our notebook to-do lists. And another one. We've got our days of the week in those colors, the greens and purples. That's a slightly different green to that one. And then we have the red, another green, and then your little icon people. So that is everything in this month's kit. I'm absolutely blown away by how stunning it is. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I will leave a link to all the Planners Anonymous web details below. There's also a discount code below for you guys if you're thinking of signing up to this monthly subscription kit. And if you use that link, you actually get 10% off your first order, which is not a bad saving. So yeah, check out the description box below for some more details. And I will see you guys in my next video. And stay tuned, I will be having a Decorate With Me video coming up very shortly. Hopefully using this kit if I can bring myself to do it. If not this kit, it'll probably be one of the other ones. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching.